This is a coordinated weekly test of the broadcast stations of your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as wildfires or other natural disasters, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Take cover now. You have 60 seconds. All residents of California and neighboring states are in extreme danger. Do not hesitate. Go into a basement and wait for the end, as you will most likely not survive. Do not worry about your family. You have no time. This channel will cease transmission as soon as the 60 seconds ends. No one will save you. God will not save you.
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,